Hello, everybody. Today we're talking about the three reasons you, yes, should eat sugar. I know, a gut health dietitian talking about eating sugar, but bear with me. And if you have a foundation in nutrition, you're going to hear these three reasons and you're going to think, oh, yeah. That's right. So, I'm Ashley Oswald, registered dietitian, founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people improve and eliminate bothersome gut issues like gas, bloat, diarrhea, constipation, and more. And if you or anybody you know wants to work with our clinic, you can get started by scheduling a free gut health call below. So just click the link below and get that scheduled. Let's dive in and talk about reason number one you should eat sugar. And this is for electrolyte replacement. So if you're sweating a lot, if you have diarrhea for food poisoning, or maybe you have an ileostomy, colostomy, any other reason that you need to replace your electrolytes, you need some sugar to help those electrolytes get across the gut barrier and into your body. So, the World Health Organization's recipe has some sugar in it, and you'll even see really good brands. The most recent one I bought was from Costco. The Liquid IV brand worked really well for me. All have a little sugar because you need it. So if you find a product that's marketing no sugar, I would kind of step away and question it. And actually, I was totally fooled by this recently, where a company had sent me some products, and I went on a trip to New Mexico hiking. I wasn't used to the heat. I was sweating a ton, starting to not feel well because of all the electrolyte loss. I needed something with some potassium and sodium and etc. in it to help replace my losses. And so I tried their product and I did not feel any benefits. So then I also had the Liquid IV that I used and I started feeling better. Long story short, I looked into the product and they have really great marketing, even to the point of saying, the recipe is based off of the World Health recipe, but it's not. And it's basically pixie dust and a waste of money. And that's actually one of the benefits that you would get if you wanted to work one on one with a dietitian like our clinic. We could really take a good in depth look of what's going on with your health and get the right products for your needs. You might be someone that doesn't even need electrolyte replacement, but if you do, we can help guide you to an appropriate product. So, one product you can find most places if you're dealing with electrolyte loss is actually Pedialyte. It's often not ideal. It has fake sugars in it, as well as actual sugar to help the electrolytes cross, and it has fake colorings. They do have a Pedialyte organic, and I think that's because of all of you, consumer demand. You want a cleaner, better product, and so they created Pedialyte organic. Reality is, most markets kind of around the world just have the plain Pedialyte, but you know what? It's better than nothing if you really need electrolyte replacements. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is if you have diabetes and you have low blood sugar. So if you have an episode of low blood sugar, best way to get out of that really dangerous episode where people actually die from having that low of blood sugar from diabetes is to have some sugar. It's quickly absorbed. It's going to get you out of that. And then you can think about getting to the root cause of the diabetes. So, type 2 diabetes is often reversible. I was working for a functional medicine clinic in California where they had a Help Your Diabetes program where we were actually helping people reverse their diabetes. And there's some people, after starting the program, within a few days, they were able to cut their insulin in half. And so I also worked in the hospital for many years, and most people, when they're newly diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, aren't told that they can improve it using food and lifestyle. So please know that. Please spread that information, that word. And again, you can reach out to your clinic if you want support with that. Reason number three is if you are recovering from an eating disorder, even something like orthorexia, because it's really important to let go of the fear of food and to not be so afraid of something like sugar that it's going to consume your life. And once you can mentally let go of those fears, and to do that, part of the journey is eating those foods that can allow you then to get rid of the obsession around food, get rid of the fear around food, and allow you to live a life where you're just having more fun and you're not constantly thinking of food. So I hope those are helpful. We have a free guide, 5 ways to improve gut health and end food intolerances for good, that you can download in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of our new videos every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Time. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.